Imagine waking up one morning and just running. Running with no destination, no plan, just the road, stretching endlessly ahead. You go a little farther and then farther still. Soon you've crossed towns, counties, entire states, and before you know it, you've run across the country. No real reason, just driven by a feeling. Crazy, right? But what if I told you? Self-discipline is a lot like that run. Most people think self-discipline is about immediate, radical change. Wake up at 4 a.m., work non-stop, give up every pleasure, and live like a monk. Sound appealing? Didn't think so. Look, unless you're training to be a medieval warrior, no one's expecting you to eat nothing but roots and berries. Here's the real deal. Self-discipline isn't built overnight, it's a step-by-step journey. Think of it as a series of small, intentional decisions. You don't need to start by running across the state. You can start with a walk around the block. Instead of tossing out every comfort, try adding one vegetable or subtracting one candy bar. Just one step forward. Think you could manage that? Sounds too easy? Good. But here's where it gets interesting. Because every small step has a ripple effect. You might just find yourself going farther than you ever imagined. See, the power of self-discipline isn't in giant leaps, but in the steady steps that move you forward, one by one. Those small actions build momentum, build confidence, and yes, build you into a version of yourself you didn't know was possible. So, are you ready to take the first step? The journey to a new you is waiting. Just start.